What's up guys, it's Travis and welcome back to my channel. So there are a lot of investors right now who are wondering whether or not we're going to see another pullback in the market in the next couple of weeks. I am not here to predict what is going to happen in the market. I am simply here to let you guys know that no matter what happens, we can take advantage of it. So before we continue, please make sure to smash that like button down below. It really helps out the channel and it really makes the time that I spend making these videos worth it. So let's get right into it and let's talk about how we can start making some money. For those of you guys who don't know, investors can make money when the stocks go down just like they can when stocks go up. And this is called short selling. Short selling is when you sell a share that you don't actually own yet in hopes of buying it back at a cheaper price. Investors will short sell a stock if they believe that the stock is overvalued and it will be at a lower price in the future. This is so much more risky than your typical investing because now you're literally betting against the market. In order to short sell, traders have to turn their accounts into margin accounts. And this allows traders to trade with borrowed money. On top of that, when traders short a stock, that stock can keep going up, so you could potentially lose an infinite amount of money. Compare this to your traditional buy and hold strategy, where the only money that you can actually lose is what you're investing with. So like I said, short selling is a very risky, or at least a very aggressive form of investing that I personally don't feel comfortable trading. But there are ways to short the market with much less risk. So for anyone who believes that the market is going to have a pullback or another recession, I've been trading this leveraged ETF called SQQQ. And this is just an inverse ETF of the S&P 500. And this just means that if the S&P 500 goes down, then SQQQ goes up. So for anyone who's interested in short selling the market right now, I would highly recommend starting out with SQQQ. Just because it's not such an aggressive form of investing like short selling. And something to keep in mind is that SQQQ continues to go down while the S&P 500 continues to go up. And this just means that investments in SQQQ need to be short-term investments. We need to make sure that we're always managing our trade and to set those stop losses. And ultimately, we need to have a plan for when we're going to enter and exit our trades. Buy support, sell resistance. In the end, it's important to understand the market. That way we can take advantage of the opportunities when they decide to present themselves. I don't really care if the market goes up or down. I know that I now have a strategy for both situations. Don't let your emotions or your bias of what you think is going to happen in the market determine your trades. Find value in whatever you're buying or don't buy it. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope that you were able to learn something new today. Feel free to let me know what you think down below in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys and getting your guys' feedback. And like always, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Take it easy, team.